Hey everyone, today I'm showing you something pretty cool. How to update a Salesforce record directly from your Salesforce CRM Analytics dashboard live without ever opening the record itself. Plus a few other tricks along the way. I am Shubhadeep. I'm the founder and principal consultant at Devlytics Global, and let's get right into it. All right. So what you can see on the screen right now is a dashboard which I have made for this purpose. But please do not worry. We will do a live demo from a fresh dashboard itself. All right. Let me just show you what I mean. So this is a dashboard where you can see opportunity, amount, and the tracking number. So in my case, I have taken tracking number as the field which I want to upload. And on the left hand side, you can see the opportunities which do not have a tracking number. And on the right, you can see the opportunities which have a tracking number. So what we want to do is instead of clicking here and going to the Salesforce record and then updating the number there, we have figured out a way to do it without leaving the screen. Let's see how it works. So we click on the opportunity. What opens is a screen where we want to update the opportunity. You see that the opportunity you have opened, it's the same thing. It shows the account and it shows the tracking number along with some other fields. We can change these fields as we want, but right now I just want to give it a tracking number. Say I want to give a tracking number of demo 1234. And remember it's for Dennis 260. We save, click on update, and voila, we see Dennis 260 has come to the tracked side, and we can see our demo 1234 tracking number as well. For us to verify it, what we can do is we can click here. It takes us actually to the record in a new window, and we can see that the change has indeed taken place. Here you go. Our tracking number is demo 123. Cool, right? All right, let's start from scratch. Okay, so what you need to keep in mind is that for this to work, we need to focus on an object for which you can enable custom action link. Opportunity supports it, account supports it. So we will do for the demo the account object. All right. Okay. So let's go to object manager. Pick the object you want to show. For me, it will be account. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to buttons, links, and actions. So you can see there is a lot of actions already there, which comes by default when you create a demo org or any org. And what you need to do for our update to work is click on new action. Now we want to give it a little bit of information as to what we want to do. So our new action would be to update a record. Standard label type, give it update. Name is update account. Description, updates an account. Success message, account updated successfully. Let's keep the icon as is. Safe. Okay, safe. All right. Um, we don't want to really do anything here. Let's save this. And now we want to go to page layouts. You will see some page layouts here, but by default, it uses the account layout. So we go to account layout and then you go to quick actions. You see, we have added update account here. Now we want to add this in this part, quick actions in the Salesforce Classic Publisher, right? We drag it, drop it, and it's there. And this is your basic page layout, which you use to see an account or something. Let's save this. Okay, so our Salesforce side setup is now complete. Now let's go to CRM Analytics. Let's go to Analytics Studio. We want to create a new dashboard. We want a blank one. Let's just set the columns and rows to something which we can work with, say 30 maybe. Fine, 0. Yeah, okay. This will be our landing page. And let's add another page, which is the query page, right? Okay. Instead of starting on the landing page, let's start on the query page. Okay. I'll tell you why. Now, since it was updating directly from the dashboard, what we will be using is not an account dataset. We will be using live data. But uh, just as a side note, you can also use dataset data or dashboards or queries which are powered by datasets to perform the same thing. The only problem there will be you cannot see changes live on the dashboard itself. The recipe has to run and then your data will be refreshed. So let's start with a query. I don't want to use any data set. I want to go to a Salesforce object and my Salesforce object will be account. Very simple query, right? So let's say account or account table one. I want this to be, yeah, let's do from here for now. Record ID, ID, yeah, account ID. Sorry, it's giving me some error. Okay, ID. Okay, okay, got it. Instead of counted rows, let's do sum of annual revenue. Why not? Now we can have our key, or we can start from values table, which would have been a smart thing to do. Uh, let's do annual revenue, and let's keep ID, name, right? So we now have three fields: account ID, account name, and annual revenue. And let's create this query. Okay, let's have this one query. And now let's go to any account and see which field we want to update. Let's see here. Let's say we want to update the phone, right? Or is there any other field which we can use? Yeah, let's say we want to update the phone. Yeah, okay, let's do the phone. So we want to add phone here as well. Yeah, you can see it's mostly empty. It, yeah. Now what we want to do is first of all save it so that we don't lose our changes. And then we want to go to the record. Now for the account name to be clickable, you need to enable actions. How do you enable actions? You click the drop down on the right hand side of the column for which you want to enable options. But also keep in mind that the ID field also has to be in the table for the actions to be enabled, because when you click on the account, Salesforce looks for that account through the account ID. So you go to configure actions. My record ID field is my account ID. It will show you the remaining columns from the table. So we select account ID, configure actions, open Salesforce record, yes, perform Salesforce actions, and here you will get the update account thing. So instead of all actions, you choose action, and we can see we have this update account here. I'll select that, and you can you're free to select whatever you want along with that. Done. Update. Right now, let's check. Yeah, see now this have become like a value which is actionable. So we have two values, open record and update account, right? So if we click on update account, yeah, we see we have these five fields. This also you can change, but for us, we have the phone. Now we just update, say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, save. Now my account phone has been updated. You can't see it here because we haven't added the refresh functionality yet, right? Okay, yeah, okay. It's back here because I selected edit. So for live data, whenever you select edit or preview, it auto refreshes the query. Let's do another query. Table. I will do the exact same thing. Let's go to Salesforce object, account. Let's select sum of annual revenue. Why not? Table, annual revenue, ID, account name, and phone. Right? Okay. We will arrange it in the same way. Okay. So now you have two tables, one which shows or one which has the action functionality enabled, and this one does not have the action functionality enabled. As you can see, this one doesn't show you anything. This one shows you the actions. Okay. Now let's do our next step, which is to modify this query a little bit. We add a filter from here. We say account phone is null. Okay. You see that one went away. Did. And on this one, we will do the opposite. We will do account phone is not null, right? So we will have some records. Okay. So on the left hand side, we have accounts with their account IDs, which doesn't have a phone number. On the right, we have account IDs, account name, which has a phone number, right? Uh, let's save and let's name live account update. And guys, let me know in the chat if you have any question or any comments or any feedback on this video. Okay. All right. Now, these are our two queries, but we can all agree that this doesn't look pretty, right? It's just like the account IDs and stuff. It doesn't look pretty. Let's do the next step, which we need to do here, which is to enable one-click actions, right? So we go to column, we go to account name, actions, set up one-click actions, and this actions here will only work if you have configured action on the table level. So now we select action. We want only one action to do when we click this name, update account. What? So now just by clicking the account name, we can update that account. And on this one, what we will do is we will go to actions. But you see, just as I said right now, we don't have anything, which is because the actions is not set up. Let's go to account name, configure actions, account ID, open Salesforce record, right? I don't need anything else here because I'm not going to change anything from this part of the table. Done, update. Now you see it's come up, set up one-click actions, select action, open Salesforce record, and you will only have one option here, right? Let's test it. Account name Atkins42. So Atkins42 opens up. It doesn't have a phone number. Let's give it one. Save. Yeah, Atkins1 got added, right? Okay. Now let's do one thing. We go back to the landing page, which is blank, right? Um, I'll teach you about a widget which is very, very, very nice, which is called repeater widget. So let's bring in a repeater widget. Let's clone this widget once. Yeah, okay. Now we have two parts. So on the left, we will have the accounts with no phone numbers. Let's label this. Copy this here. Accounts with phone numbers, right? Okay. So what a repeater widget does is it's basically like a table, but you can decide what you want to show by inserting values from a query in widgets which we will place in this thing right now. But before that, let's do one thing which I think we all have been waiting for is for the live update, like without going between preview and edit because users won't be able to do that. Let's bring a text widget here. And recently, Salesforce has added a functionality which is called int interactions. And let's say update. Let's give it some style and let's make it look like a button. Let's give it some radius. Let's give it a color, right? Okay. You click on repeater, you go to existing query because we will power this from the queries we have just created. So let's go to account table one, which is the one where we have the accounts which have no phone numbers. Yeah. Now see, you have this screen. This is you are editing only the repeater widget of the dashboard. Now what you want to do is place widgets according to what you want to show. Let's say I just want to show my account name. I don't want to show my ID. I want to show my account name. I want to show my account revenue, and I want to show the phone number, right? It will be like a text, and it'll just pick up the revenue because there is only one field with number in the query. Let's add the text here. So we go to add query data. We select account name because we only want to show that. Oops. Done. Yeah, you see, we have our account name right here. Let's go to revenue. We don't want to show this. Center. Yeah, let's do it bold one. And say I want to show the phone number here, right? I know we don't have a phone number here, but just for kicks. All right. So, and now you have the phone number on the third column. As soon as you click done, see, we have all the accounts repeating one after the other in a beautiful way. Let's do one thing. Let's give a header in this table, right? It'll help us. So this is my account. This is my amount. This is my phone number. So account name, amount, phone number, right? Let's copy this because here also we will be adding the same thing. Sorry. Also we'll be adding the same thing, but from the other query. So same steps, we go to existing query, choose the other one, same thing, our account name, amount, and our phone number. Right? Select the account name. Yeah, okay, done. Yep. So now you see your accounts with the name, with the amount, with the phone number. Let's rearrange these a little bit. Yeah, okay. Let's see. So we want to give a phone number to Barnett. We click Barnett, we give it a phone number, right? Save. I forgot to update the, sorry. So we go to interaction. For the live update button to wait, we go to interaction, create interaction, event is click, add action. We don't want to navigate to another dashboard. We want to return to initial view. Apply and just see the magic. So Barnett got added because we went back and forth, but let's do another one. Save, click on update, and Barnett or Beck gets added here. Isn't it awesome? So this is how we update data directly inside CRM Analytics without changing screens. And just to verify, let's go to this record itself and check if the phone number has been updated or not. And yes, we do see that the phone number got updated. So guys, this is how we do it, and this is how we do with live data. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please leave any feedback you have in the comments down below. If you have liked the video, please leave a like, share this with your friends if they want some CRM analytics knowledge, and stay tuned for more amazing videos like this. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you have a great day. Cheers. Bye bye.